Vario Alcove 8-12M. The original driver's cab of the chassis is retained in the Vario Alcove. The space above, the so-called alcove floor, is used as an additional sleeping area and gives this exclusive motorhome its striking shape. With separate queen-size sleeping areas, 2 to 8 fixed single beds or double beds, a wide variety of room concepts offer maximum living comfort. According to the art of vehicle construction, with great attention to detail, a Vario mobile is individually handcrafted. Here you will find tried and tested equipment ideas for exclusive alcove vehicles that do not lack any comfort. From a vehicle length of 9 meters, a companion vehicle can be taken on board. 100% free planning when it comes to the layout, equipment, paintwork, and all other details. Unlimited interior variants on fully equipped chassis types, that is Vario Mobile. Together we will realize your vision of the perfect vehicle. Vario Alcove 8-12 meters. The Vario Alcove bodies, optionally made of aluminum or glass fiber reinforced plastic GRP, are characterized by the high stability of the fully insulated, torsion-resistant body. All curves are hand-laminated using high-quality adhesives. In addition, the roof can be fully loaded over the entire area and has a top layer of largely hail-resistant GRP, completely geared towards exclusivity. Experienced vehicle builders and designers create your alcove vehicle in manufacturing quality. Your Vario Mobile, a class of its own. Vario Mobile, always unlimited, personal, sporty, and only 8 to 9 short. This is why this 7.5 to 8.8 light Vario Alcove is in a class of its own. A with XXL U-shaped seating group, windows surrounding 3 sides, and a huge gourmet kitchen in the spacious saloon. Instead of a bedroom in the rear, the XXL lengthwise sleeper bed has been completely relocated to the extra-high alcove. As a result, it was combined with an exclusive bathroom underneath that fills the entire width of the vehicle. Camera-based, mirrorless driving is available as an option for all alcove vehicles, significantly increasing your driving safety. From a vehicle length of 9.5 meters, this particularly exquisite alcove vehicle creates a generous sense of space, optionally with an extendable living area bay window in the saloon for an impressive lifestyle in the living area. For example, first-class furniture in a modern color scheme. Matte grey contrasts with exquisite walnut wood. Bent arty design with rounded furniture flaps. Exclusive materials such as the heated wood plank floor, the Coriander worktop, leather upholstery, and the spacious living area give the interior exceptional elegance. An intelligent light control puts the mobile in the limelight. This powerful travel companion is based on the MB Atigo, MAN TGL, and TGM, as well as on the MB Atros. Up to 299 make it mobile. GFK plastic body series from Vario Alcove 1000. The insulated and heated double floor system ensures full suitability for winter. Both the vehicle technology and your luggage are housed here, protected from the frost. In any case, the standard rear garage offers plenty of space for transporting scooters and bicycles. A rear garage that can be operated from up to 3 sides is also an option. With a very large tailgate, it also takes a car and e-bikes on board via VELO slide. Your high-end travel companion with XL car garage and up to 3x slide out. In addition to a luxurious ambience, the exclusively equipped Vario Alcove EN also has numerous driver assistance systems on board.